Aquasana Whole House Well Water Filter System. Aquasana Whole House Well Water Filter System Review. Best Whole House Water Softener System for well water. Aquasana water filters are best known for intelligent engineering. The goal of an Aquasana well water filtration system is to maximize the filtration media for ultimate performance. You receive a premium installation and filter media kit plus high-quality components. If you want clean, clear, fresh tasting well water for less than a penny a gallon, count on a few unique features and benefits. The Aquasana's unique upflow dual tank design. Increase water contact time with contaminant-grabbing media to prevent clogging. Sediment pre-filter, salt-free water conditioner, activated carbon filter, post-filter, UV filter. All fittings are brass. Aquasana uses a salt-free technology to maximize contaminant reduction, making the Aquasana the best whole house water softener system for well water. All that's left behind in your home's water is healthy minerals. No draining or back flushing needed, and filter changes every 3 months are super easy and do not affect the flow rate. Aquasana weighs 97 pounds and measures 69 by 10.5 by 57 inches. Aquasana filters 500,000 gallons of well water and removes up to 97% sediment reduction. Warranty: 90-day satisfaction money-back guarantee from date of purchase. Pros: prevents clogging and mineral binding. Premium well water filter media. 5-year or 500,000 gallon guarantee. Cons: expensive installation costs. Impractical installation instructions. 1-year warranty voided if DIY installed.